The story of Selena Gomez. Selena Marie Gomez was born on July 22, 1992, in Grand Prairie, Texas, USA. She is the daughter of Mandy Tife and Ricardo Gomez. Selena's mother, Mandy, was a teenager when she had Selena, and the family faced many challenges growing up. Selena's parents got divorced when she was 5 years old, and she was raised by her mother. Despite these difficulties, Selena always had a strong connection to music and acting, which became her greatest passions from a very young age. Selena's interest in acting began when she was only 7 years old. She was inspired by the actors she saw on TV and decided she wanted to be one of them. She started auditioning for roles in television shows and movies, and at the age of 10. She landed her first acting role in the popular TV show Barney and Friends. Selena appeared on the show alongside other future stars, such as Demi Lovato. Although the role was small, it was a significant step in Selena's career, and it helped her learn the basics of acting and working in the entertainment industry. In her teenage years, Selena's acting career started to gain momentum. In 2004, she was cast in a role in the Disney Channel show Wizards of Waverly Place. The show became a huge success, and Selena's character, Alex Russo, quickly became a favorite among fans. The show was about a family of wizards, and it combined comedy, magic, and adventure. Selena's acting skills and charm made her a standout, and the show ran for 4 seasons, from 2007 to 2012. While working on Wizards of Waverly Place, Selena also began to explore her music career. She formed a band called Selena Gomez and the Scene, and in 2009, they released their first album, Kiss and Tell. The album was a success, and it included songs like Naturally and Falling Down. Selena's music was pop rock, and her voice was smooth and catchy, making her a rising star in the music world as well as on TV. In 2011, Selena released her second album with her band, titled A Year Without Rain. The album included hits like Who Says, a song about self-confidence and staying true to yourself. The song became an anthem for many young fans, and it helped Selena further establish herself as a successful musician. During this time, Selena's fame continued to grow, and she became one of the most popular young stars in Hollywood. However, Selena didn't just focus on her music and acting. She also began to take on more mature roles. In 2012, she starred in the movie Spring Breakers, a crime drama that was a big departure from her Disney Channel image. In the movie, she played a college student who gets involved in illegal activities during spring break. This role showed a different side of Selena and helped her transition into more adult roles in film. Although the movie was controversial for its mature themes, Selena received praise for her performance and for taking on such a daring role. In addition to acting and singing, Selena also became involved in several charity projects. She has always been passionate about helping others and has worked with organizations that support children, the environment, and education. Selena has also used her platform to speak out about mental health, body image, and other important issues. In 2013, she became the youngest person to be named a UNICEF ambassador. She worked on campaigns to raise money for children's rights and education, traveling to places like Nepal to see firsthand the challenges many children face. Selena's career continued to evolve as she grew older. In 2015, she released her first solo album, Revival. The album was a big departure from her earlier work with Selena Gomez and The Scene, as it featured a more mature sound. The album included hits like Good For You and Same Old Love, both of which were more R&B and pop-oriented. Revival was a critical and commercial success, and it helped Selena show her versatility as an artist. The album also marked a turning point in her personal life, as she had recently gone through some difficult times, including health issues and a public breakup with her boyfriend, pop star Justin Bieber. In 2016, Selena took a break from her career to focus on her health. She had been dealing with lupus, an autoimmune disease, and had to take time off to rest and recover. Selena's health struggles were not widely known at the time, but she eventually opened up about her condition and how it affected her life. In 2017, she underwent a kidney transplant, which was donated by her best friend, actress Francia Raisa. Selena's journey through this difficult time showed her strength and resilience, and she became an advocate for lupus awareness and organ donation. After her recovery, Selena returned to the music scene in 2017 with the hit song Bad Liar, which became a favorite among fans. She also released Wolves and Fetish, both of which were well received by her audience. Selena continued to work on new music and showed that she was ready to embrace new challenges in her career. In addition to her music and acting career, Selena has made a name for herself as a producer. In 2019, she became an executive producer for the hit Netflix series 13 Reasons Why, a show based on the novel by Jay Asher. The show deals with serious issues like bullying, mental health, and suicide, and Selena's involvement in the project was deeply personal. She was passionate about bringing the story to life and using her platform to raise awareness about important social issues. The show became a huge success and sparked important conversations about mental health among young people. In 2020, Selena released her third studio album, Rare, which included the hit single, Lose You to Love Me. The song was a deeply emotional ballad about letting go of a relationship in order to heal and grow. The song became Selena's first #1 hit on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, marking a major milestone in her music career. Rare was praised for its honest and vulnerable lyrics, and it showed how much Selena had grown as an artist and a person. Today, Selena Gomez is not only a successful singer and actress but also an influential businesswoman. She has worked as a producer, launched her own beauty brand called Rare Beauty, and continued to use her platform to promote important causes. Selena is also an advocate for mental health, body positivity, and women's empowerment. She has been open about her struggles with anxiety and depression and has used her personal experiences to help others who are going through similar challenges. Through her music, acting, and activism, Selena Gomez has proven that she is much more than just a pop star. She is a strong, talented, and compassionate woman who uses her voice to inspire and help others. Her career continues to evolve, and her impact on the world is only growing. Selena's journey is a reminder that, no matter where you come from, with hard work, determination, and the courage to be yourself, you can achieve great things. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories. Wish you luck.